Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing the project Painting with Water. So I like this project because it is clean, easy, no big messes. So what I did was I gave my kids a cup of water. It just had a very small amount of water in it and a paintbrush. And then we went over to our big chalkboards that we have in our family room and I let them just paint away. And it was actually really nice because it ended up cleaning the chalkboard. And then when I went over it with a rag, it wiped down in one wipe. And usually it takes me like 4 or 5 times of wiping that chalkboard down to get it completely clean. So I might actually do this a lot more often. But you can do it either on a chalkboard or you can just use regular paper. And it's just a fun way to let your kids paint without actually using actual paint. So my kids really enjoyed this. It's something that we'll probably do again. So let me know what you guys think about this project down in the comments, and we will see you in the next video. Alright, bye guys!